Madam Speaker, my ministry through the Department of National Parks and Wildlife has engaged various partners who include community markets for conservation, popularly known as COMACO, which has a long-running project entitled Consolidation of Livelihood Solutions for Wildlife Conservation. This project, Madam Speaker, is aimed at reducing human-wildlife conflict by creating a community land bridge and equip communities with knowledge on how to interact with wildlife in a manner that minimizes the likely occurrence of human-wildlife conflict. We hope that this project succeeds so that lessons learned can be rolled out to other affected areas across the country. Madam Speaker, further, the Department of National Parks and Wildlife and COMACO are working in collaboration with cooperatives, community forest management groups, and community resource boards to implement the following interventions to prevent measures aimed at reducing human-wildlife conflict in the area. Number one, training of community members as blasters. This, Madam Speaker, is aimed at training communities in scaring of wildlife away from crop fields, granaries, and general human settlements using chili powder. Under this initiative, 36 community volunteers spread across the chiefdoms have been engaged to help in scaring these animals. These are supported with the necessary gears and equipment to carry out the field patrols around the farming blocks day and night. Number two, development of participatory village land use plans. VLUPs, as they're popularly called, are aimed at reducing unplanned settlement, as has been identified as one of the main contributing factors to human-wildlife conflict. In this regard, traditional leaders and community members have been engaged to developing community land use plans. These plans have locally developed bylaws, which outlines the allowed and prohibited activities within the chiefdoms and/or constituencies. Therefore, the VLUP guides the communities on where they can settle, do their agricultural activities, and many other social activities. Paper trail, which is data collection. In an event of an incident of human-wildlife conflict, data is collected to help provide information that includes the type of wildlife involved, type of crop or livestock damage, location of this incident, and the names of the affected individuals, among others. This helps management to make decisions and in predicting future occurrences. Madam Speaker, fourth but not the least, other mitigating factors that have been deployed by the Department of Parks and Wildlife with the support of COMACO within the communities is to plant early maturing crop varieties and alternative livelihood activities such as gardening, poultry, goat rearing, and beekeeping. This is to mitigate human-wildlife conflict in the constituencies and refrain community members from engaging in poaching activities. Madam Speaker, with respect to the incidents in Katombola and Mulobezi parliamentary constituencies, the Department